Hello everyone, welcome to week 6 of BCOM 3113. I can't believe it's already week 6. I feel like the semester is flying by. You may not share that sentiment, but just wanted to post this update video. We're here on campus in Stillwater dealing with some nasty weather. In fact, they're about to close campus here in just a few minutes, so I thought I would post this video before I have to get out of here. Lots of stuff on the agenda, so let's make sure that we take a look at it, and if you have any questions, as always, email me. So first things first, we obviously have our business message portfolio assignment. Our next major assignment for the semester is already posted. You have 3 weeks to work on it, but don't let that amount of time lull you into putting it off. It's one of those things that is your chances of success are greatly increased the earlier you start on it and the more drafts you work through. We also have 2 reading assignments this week, chapter 8 and 9, and accompanying lecture videos. Those are key to doing well on the portfolio, so you have got to watch those videos. I also posted a video for the portfolio assignment. The due date's wrong because it's from last semester, but just bear with me if you would. It goes through quite a bit and several examples, so please watch that. And then that way, if you have specific questions after, you are welcome to ask them. Also, we have a discussion assignment this week on the discussion board. It requires you to look at application, right? This is a case study, real life business communication from Microsoft, and we're trying to fold this into what we're going to cover in chapter 9 on how to deliver a bad news message. So finally, the last thing to keep in mind is the grammar exercises are due not this Friday but next Friday, so make sure that if you have not finished those, you do that. Remember, the grammar exercises are all or nothing, so if you wait till the last minute and only get 99% done, you will not get 99%. You'll get a 0, which I do not want that to happen to anyone. So very, very important. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope you stay warm during this cold week and get to work.